or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters. For listening to NOAA Weather Radio. The current time is 11:14 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KW.
No hope, no matter what. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding.
This is the weekly test of...
Let's keep it real. Who's and more on your TV and on your devices. And
alarm will normally be conducted by the National Wednesday between or postpone day. Is activated. Selected watches. Weather events that have
Me encanta. Es un gran producto. ¿Cuándo se debe? You really have to try it, huh?
It's a scrutiny if it goes south.
With caffeine.
Alla levono nere i
California, Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters. San Mateo points to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the SkyWaw network of radio operators.